Good Sunday morning. This is me on the first Sunday of 2022 morning, and I decided to do something that will reset and recharge me, prepare me for the coming week and the coming year. And yeah, this is me preparing a hot cup of cocoa in the morning. Some Sundays are the same, others are not, especially with the child. It's unpredictable. And yeah, so this is one specific Sunday, but I intend to be doing Sunday resets for myself to refresh and just, start the week on a fresh note. So for today, I watched Joel Austin because I couldn't go to church. I haven't started going to church yet with the baby. And then after that, I did some bedroom cleanup, which is one area my house help doesn't do. So that is what I usually do on Sundays. And yeah, just get myself fresh and ready for the new week.
Kadu day. Kadu day. Good morning. Good morning, Kadu day. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video. And today I'm here for your help. Look at how I look. Oh my god. But this is me. Take me or leave me. That's better, right? Upward. Okay. Let's look good in 2022. Not really looking good. Okay, guys. So, I'm trying to look better for you guys. For myself. Yeah, this year we're doing things for ourselves. Huh? Yeah, anyway. I just want a little motivation from you guys. And the only way I can do this is if I do it with you guys. My bedroom is a mess. My bedroom is a mess. My bedroom? My bedroom is a mess. My bedroom is a mess. As is yours. I know yours is a mess. Is it? Well, there's some people who are doing the clean with me, not clean with me, like cleaning out, decluttering before Christmas, between Christmas and New Year's. I didn't have the energy. I didn't have the energy, or I did what I could and left what I couldn't, because, well, I don't have a house help, and my God, is it hard, my Jesus. Yeah, so I did what I could, left what I couldn't for now. So now I'm motivated enough. Today is the 2nd of January. Happy New Year! Yeah, Happy New Year. And yeah, oh, sometimes I can be sexy. Sexy. Sexy gay. Akiona mashavu. And Kadude is over here with me today. Hi, Kadude. My baby is the most chilled out baby. Oh my god. Ananga story now. Okay, akona story now to when he wants attention. But generally, he's a really peaceful baby. Look at him. Just look at him. Yeah. Sai tuanze fast though. So I have so much to mushene. All I'm saying is I want you guys to fold clothes with me. And yeah, basically clean out my bedroom with me. I'll show you how it is in a minute. I'll be folding laundry that we picked last night, the one that we were and hanging last evening. So now is the time to fold it, maybe organize my closet, and yeah. So I hope this motivates you to do your own cleanup. I hope it motivates you to organize your house as well. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing for today. And I'll be in the company of Kadude, and probably my other boy will come in now. He's watching right now. So I know he will come in a minute. I'll just time lapse you as we clean out my bedroom. Just motivation. Why? Using my V2. How do people manage to look sexy in there? I mean, guy. Hiya, Kadude, just tell them. Hi, Kadude. Come and tell them. Hi, Kadude. Hi. Hi. Don't eat it. Hi. Hi. Okay, fine. Yeah, so see you in a minute. as we organize this bedroom. Let me show you the before. Let me show you how it is. It's a mess, my god. And then I'll show you after it's all done. Yeah. So this is the bedroom from the entryway. Yeah, like the door. That is my desk. I already showed you that. So this desk has doubled up as my makeup place, my breakfast place, my everything. So this is my makeup bag. It has stuff, makeup inside. I have this cool, I don't know, I wanted to show some lippies I got from my sister-in-law for Christmas. And yeah, so look at this mess, look at this mess, look at this mess, look at this mess. Everything and anything is on that desk. Look at my baby's dresser, drawers. Yeah, still haven't repaired it because I lied to you that I would. So these are his clothes. I also unhung them yesterday. I mean, haven't gotten a chance to fold them. That is what I want to do. This is our bed. These are the clothes I unhung yesterday. You saw it. So yeah, and that's our Kadude of the year. Hi Kadude. Hi Kadude. Hi Kadude. And I think my camera is dirty. Oh my god. Yeah, it's dirty. It was dirty. Anyway. And then we have this desk. So this desk I brought here when I was on bed rest. So that means earlier 2021. And I brought it here so that I could lay on my bed and help T with his homework here. But now that I'm out of bed, it's time to get rid of it. Not get rid of it, like just take it out of my bedroom and create more space. And yeah, and the floors. Yeah, that is like a tripod over there. But look at these guys. Look at the mess that is my bedroom. Yeah, I want to be as real as I can so that when we organize it, because we are about to do that, we're gonna organize it. We're gonna organize it and make it awesome. Hi, Baba. Hi, Kadude. How are you? Nini kabuta. Nini. Nataka tufold nguo. Hebu tutani kiti yako ikae hivyo. Yeah, and then I hop on here and poof.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make. And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
I have emptied out this drawer right here. I will give it a good wipe, because this is everything I've gotten from that drawer, and I want to sort it out, and then we can see from there. Oh my god, I'm already tired. Oh my god. Yeah, that's my whole makeup skincare mess right there, and supplements and so many things.
I'm just waiting for the fight, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Well, this is my mess. Yeah, so that's the mess, and yeah. So because today we were doing something totally different, we had to rush on time, and I came to do this later in the evening, and that is why you can see a change of clothes. I know you noticed. Yeah, so I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please let me know down below what you do on your Sundays, how you reset, how you prepare for the new week. Do you have a routine, or do you just chill and wait for the week to begin? Yeah, so drop a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. At this point, I'm preparing to go out. So most Sundays we go out in the afternoon to grab some dinner, or even just take Ty to a park and have him play around. It just depends if hubby is around. So on this particular Sunday he was around, and I'm preparing to go out after giving the boys a bath, of course. And yeah, please drop a comment down below. Let me know how your Sundays are, and
I will appreciate it. I also changed my skincare routine postpartum after having the baby. If you're interested in seeing that, please let me know down below in the comment section. As you can see, the cleanser I'm using here is not as foamy as the Garnier one that I use in my other skincare routines. So yeah, if you want an updated skincare routine postpartum, let me know down below. If you have one that you use yourself, also let me know down below. Hi, Kadidi. Hi. So this is around 3 p.m. and I'm done with the house, the bedroom thingy. And so normally we would prepare at this point, like the entire family. I didn't show you that part, just me preparing. And then we go out for lunch, take the boys to the park. You're not eating a handkerchief. Lakini ni mpya, lakini ni safi. Anyway, all I'm saying is at this point we usually go out because it's a Sunday. That's why you can hear the noise. And I have put this because of the sun. Like, it's really hot, it's January. So but today we're not going to go out. Today we decided to go and see Shosh in Muranga. That's our grandmother, okay, my hubby's grandmother. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We are going right now, we're outside Super. I'm waiting for hubby. Wameenda huko ndani to buy ice cream because it's really hot. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, because once we're back, once we go out we usually have dinner, so when I come back home we don't cook again. And yeah, so that's how my Sunday ends, and I'll see you in the next video.